Hello guys, welcome back to Kenso YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make this trendy bubu gown. It is very easy to make, and yes, you have come to the right channel for your DIY tutorial. If you are yet to subscribe, this is the right time to hit the subscribe button so as to stay updated on our tutorials. So let's get started. I folded 3 yards of this fabric, as you can see. So where I am right here is the sides, while the other side is the center front and the center back. So the first thing I did was to take the full length measurement of the gown, which is I think 59. I'm using the whole length of the fabric actually. I'm not cutting anything out. The next thing I did was to take the width of the gown measurement, which I measured 20 inches. Then I took the shoulder measurement, which is 8 inches. Then for the neck width, I measured 6 inches. Remember, it is a high neck. Then for the arm allowance, I measured 7 inches for the arm allowance. Remember, this particular gown, the arm allowance is on the shoulder line up there. So I measured 7 inches for the arm allowance. And then I draw a line to connect the sides of the gown as seen. This bubu is very simple, very easy to make, and it's actually very beautiful. So do let me know if you'll be recreating this for yourself. And remember to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Here we teach you how to make your DIY tutorials, and our videos are self-explanatory. So do well to leave a comment, subscribe, tell your friends and loved ones about Kenso YouTube channel. So this is what we have, and right now I'll be cutting out the side. After cutting out the sides, then I notch the point where the arm allowance is, and the point where the neck width also stop. This is what the beautiful bubu looks like after sewing it. It is a multi-purpose bubu, and yes, I made it with an inner rope to just give it a very beautiful fitting. So do ensure to let me know in the comment section if you'll be making this for yourself as well. So this is another trendy bubu tutorial which we have on this channel, so do ensure to check the channel to see the tutorial on how to make it. It is well detailed and self-explanatory. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and do remember to check back time to time for new tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye.